Alright, today guys we've got an old oak wood gun cabinet. We're going to redo it, paint it, add some lining to it. Here's a list of all the tools you'll need. Here we start out with painting it black. I will say that we wanted like a gunmetal or a matte finish, but after reviewing the textures, I noticed that it wasn't going to protect against fingerprints and smudges and stuff, so we went with an eggshell finish. I used two types of brushes on this, a roller for all the flat front surfaces and the corners, and then just a regular brush to get around all the creases. It took two coats. One coat was pretty well covered. Two made it look really good. Here we move some of the hardware coming up. We add some liner to it. We glued and stapled this in. Coming up is a picture of what it looks like when it's all embedded. Looks pretty good. And here's the finished product. We added some LED string lights to the top, carpet at the bottom. Let me know what you think.